Hey guys, how's it going? Well, I just got back from Home Depot this morning with another Master Lock. I never fail to surprise myself. I keep buying Master Locks, but this thing's an odd looking thing, isn't it? The shackles right at the back there and all this spare space here, and it's weatherproofed quite nicely, but the keyway's upside down, so I thought I gotta get it just to try it. And I've got the from my last bunch of stuff from SPARROWS lockpicks. Here's the MACE expansion kit. This is $14.95. Oddly enough, so's the lock, about $14.95. Now I put this quarter here so you can see how small these picks or rakes, I guess they are officially. They do have a pick set, but I don't have that. I have the expansion rake set. So let's have a go at this one. Alright, so there's the little Dinky rake. Kind of neat looking, I think. Almost like a piece of jewellery. You could hang them off your ears as earrings if you wanted to. Alright, let's zoom in. Obviously locked up, still in its pack. Keys haven't been removed. Now you only get one chance to pick these things out of the packet, so might as well not waste that opportunity. Alright, here we go. Stop gabbing and get on with it. Alright, I'm just going to try rocking this thing and see what happens. Bit of rake, bit of rock. There we go. And we're in. That didn't take long at all, did it? So let's see what they say about this lock. Let's zoom back out. Magnum. Must be the most overused word in the lock industry. Alright, best cut resistance. Yeah, they got that boron steel shackle. They are good. Best weather resistance, stainless steel, rust proof. Lifetime guarantee. What else do they say? Octagonal tough cut shrouded shackle. Yep, they're right about that bit. Dual armour. What does that mean? Stainless steel with titanium reinforcement. Okay. Exceeds professional grade standards for storage units, chains and other outdoor appliances. Okay. Well, personally I want something a bit more secure, but let's get the keys off of this thing. There's the bidding for those that are curious about such things. Actually, that's the flattest bidding I've seen on a lock in a long time. Wow. It's almost flat all the way across, apart from this one at the end's a bit deeper. Well, they're sort of gradual, isn't they? The first two look the same, third one slightly deeper, fourth slightly deeper. Oh, there we go. Let's put the key in, and oddly enough, when you turn the key to the right and the shackle goes to the left to open, normally shackles go the same way as you're turning the key. That's unusual. Must have a geared mechanism inside. When you turn this way, it retracts. Lots of gaps. I can see lots of gaps down here, although this bit does look pretty solid. Not sure what it's made out of. It's cast something or other. Alright, let's get the key out and have a look underneath the rubber. Oh, that's a bit That's a bit chintzy looking. Well, I assume if you pop the 4 rivets, the whole thing will just come apart like a clamshell and its guts will drop out. And on the underside here it's wide open. I mean, it's obviously to let water out, but that's freaking wide open. You could shove a screwdriver in there and maybe even, I don't know, I'm not going to destroy it because it's getting expensive, keep destroying locks, but I wonder if anybody else has done anything with that. But anyway, there you go. Let's keep this short. Another lock from Master Lock that's easy to get into, and quite a nice handy little set of MACE expansion, what do they call it, the worm and twin expansion doggy ear mace. So if you're interested in them, they're from Sparrows. Kind of like them, handy to stick in your wallet, or you military guys, handy to have something like this on you just to pop the odd padlock when you need to. And yeah, I bought this because I thought it looked odd, and it does look odd to me, but too easy to get into. Same usual 4-pin core that you find in all of these chintzy Master locks. Thanks for watching. Catch you later, guys.